All right, y'all. We didn't have the answers to the even ones in the back, and so I promised I'd email them out, and I didn't do that, so I'm just going to go ahead and do them for you in this video. Okay, so start with the leading coefficients. You have 2x and 6x to the fourth. You basically divide this by this. Put this over this. So it's going to be 3x, 3. And then multiply. This will always match exactly, and then 3x3 times 6 is 18. x3. When I do the subtraction, I like to put it in parentheses with the negative sign. Some of you just go through and change both of the signs. Whatever you do, as long as it works for you, that is fine. So that'll be negative 14 x3. Okay, now I really need the next term, so that's the one I'll bring down. Again, look at your leading terms. Take this divided by this. You get negative 7 x2. Leading divided by leading. Negative 7 x2. Multiply. Negative 7 times 6 is negative 42 x squared. And subtract. So that's going to give me 41x squared. Be careful with the signs. And negative 1 minus a negative 42. Remember, minus a negative is addition, and so it's going to be 41. Let's bring down that next term. This divided by this, it's 41 over 2x. Okay, I didn't even bother to actually divide them. I know it doesn't reduce. 41's prime, so just 41 over 2x. So that's going to be 41x squared. Because this always has to match perfectly. I don't even have to think about what to put here. As long as I put the right thing up top, I know it's going to match perfectly. Now, 41 over 2 divided by, 41 over 2 times 6 is going to be 41 times 6 divided by 2. I know it'll go evenly. Times 6 divided by 2. So that'll be 123x. Okay, so I just took 41 divided by 2 times 6, and it was going to come out to a whole number, so I just put it there. Because I knew the 6 was going to kind of cancel out the 2. Basically, 6 divided by 2 is 3, so this is the same as 41 times 3. Gives you that 123. All right, last one. I have this over this, negative 123x over 2. You could write it out, negative 123x over 2x. And the x's just cancel out. So my next thing I'm going to write is negative 123 over 2. That will always match. Negative 123 over 2 times 6. Negative 123 divided by 2 times 6, the same as times 3. 369. Oops, and that'll be negative there. Okay, and so that'll just be 369. At least the subtraction here is easy because I'm starting with a 0, right? So plus 369 over 2x plus 6. So that was the final answer there. That was a little more involved than anything I would give you on a quiz numbers-wise, but it's certainly within the domain of stuff we can do. Okay, I'll put up 34 in a second.